1. The first thing you must come to accept is that you are in control of your own happiness. No one else can dictate how you feel or what brings you joy. Take ownership of your emotions and choose to focus on the positive aspects of your life. 2. The second thing you must come to accept is that failure is a natural part of the journey to success. Embrace your mistakes and learn from them. Every setback is an opportunity for growth and improvement. Don't let fear of failure hold you back from pursuing your dreams. 3. The third thing you must come to accept is that change is inevitable. Life is constantly evolving, and it's important to adapt and embrace new opportunities. Don't resist change out of fear or comfort. Instead, see it as a chance for personal growth and development. Remember, acceptance is not about giving up or settling for less. It's about acknowledging reality and choosing to move forward with confidence and resilience. Embrace these 3 truths, and watch how they empower you to live a more fulfilling and inspiring life.
How to avoid fake friends. It's important to surround yourself with genuine people who truly care about you and have your best interests at heart. So here are some key points to help you spot and avoid fake friends. First, pay attention to their actions, not just their words. Fake friends may say all the right things, but their actions don't align with their words. If someone is constantly letting you down or only reaching out when they need something from you, they might not be a true friend. Second, trust your instincts. If something feels off about a friendship, it's okay to distance yourself. Your gut feeling is usually right, so listen to it and don't ignore any red flags. Next, observe how they treat others. Fake friends often show their true colors by how they treat people who can't benefit them in any way. If someone is consistently disrespectful or unkind to others, they may not be a genuine friend to you either. Lastly, set boundaries and stick to them. Fake friends may try to manipulate or take advantage of you if you don't establish boundaries. Don't be afraid to say no or stand up for yourself if someone is crossing the line. Remember, it's better to have a few true friends than a bunch of fake ones. Surround yourself with people who lift you up and support you unconditionally. Trust me, your mental health and well-being will thank you for it. Stay true to yourself and your real friends. Women's behavior is often a complex and multifaceted topic that can vary greatly from individual to individual. However, there are some common traits and tendencies that are often associated with how women behave. First and foremost, women are often known for their strong emotional intelligence and empathy. This can manifest in their ability to understand and connect with others on a deeper level, as well as their tendency to be more nurturing and supportive in relationships. Additionally, women are often highly intuitive and perceptive, picking up on subtle cues and emotions that others may overlook. This can make them excellent communicators and problem solvers, as they are able to read between the lines and understand the underlying motivations behind people's actions. Women also tend to be more collaborative and relationship-focused in their approach to work and personal interactions. They value connection and community, and often prioritize building strong relationships with those around them. In terms of decision-making, women often take a more holistic and inclusive approach, considering the needs and perspectives of all parties involved. This can lead to more thoughtful and balanced outcomes, as women are able to weigh multiple factors and viewpoints before coming to a conclusion. Overall, women's behavior is characterized by a unique blend of emotional intelligence, intuition, collaboration, and empathy. These qualities can be incredibly powerful in both personal relationships and professional settings, allowing women to connect deeply with others and make a positive impact on the world around them. Thanks for watching